here we are again at Pro Tuner. Greg is going to map the car shortly. He's just finishing off the one that he's got on a dyno right now. And that's about it. That's about all I can tell you. So hopefully I'll have some decent footage from the dyno session. Obviously a few power runs would be pretty cool. Don't expect massive changes in the power. The only thing I changed is the exhaust and the air filter. So nothing else. Oh, and the hydraulic lifters. But yeah, nothing else has changed. Just been serviced, plugs, oil filter change. So yeah, let's get on with it. So done the swap around. The car that was on a dyno is now off, which is tidy 1 Series BM, and now my car is on after about 10 minutes of cranking and trying to get it started. So yeah. One noisy 1 Series, but yeah, I think my car may make a bit more noise because of the exhaust. The 1 foot exhaust should make some noise for sure, so we'll see. Just hope that everything goes smoothly. These dyno sessions are always really nerve-wracking and yeah, always awkward, so we'll see. Right, so Greg and Simon are just strapping down the car now, so I've got to pop to McDonald's and get some food and coffee because I've got a feeling they're going to be here for a little while. Could be a late night, so yeah, caffeine needed, food needed, and then we'll come back and we'll get some power runs in, hopefully. Dyno now. Just going to take it out for a quick rip up and down the industrial estate. Of course, we are in Mexico and there are no laws here, so this is perfectly legit and fine. Obviously we've got the Mexican number plate on. Mexican, it's not Japanese. So yeah, perfectly legal for a little drive up and down, just to make sure that the tune's alright. So yeah, I'm not going to film this because I can't be asked to get a GoPro out, but I guess you'll see it in action, and you've seen the power runs. So yeah, you'll see it in action soon enough. Rockinham's the first outing, first practice day. So yeah, I'm going to give it a rip. I'll let you know what it's like in a minute. So back in the workshop. Last night was a very late night. Got back at, I think it was 1 o'clock in the morning by the time I dropped the car and trailer off, and then driven back home. So yeah, pretty bit of a struggle getting up this morning, but very pleased with the results from the car. The car performed great on a dyno. Having a short exhaust has gained a little bit of spool on the turbo, so it spools up a bit quicker. And also we upped the boost from 1.6 bar to 1.8 bar, and we've gained 20 horsepower, so it went from 467 last year to 488 this year, 450 pound-foot of torque up to 480 foot-pound of torque. So yeah, pretty pleased with that. I didn't actually get to drive it last night because there were a lot of kids, I don't know, there were a lot of people driving little hatchbacks around on the industrial estate. So yeah, I thought it was probably best not to drive it. So to put those numbers into perspective, a Jaguar F-Type 5 litre V8 supercharged is a really quick car. I've driven a few myself, very impressive. Obviously a bigger car, but they put down 460 foot-pound of torque. So I've got 20 foot-pound more torque from a 2 litre compared to a 5 litre supercharged V8. So I know they're completely different cars, different engines, and the way they deliver their torque and power is completely different. But yeah, for the sake of comparisons, it's a lot of torque and it's a lot of power for a 2 litre. So I'm really pleased with the result. I'm looking forward to driving it. Yeah, so roll on Rockingham round 1. I just hope that it's not too loud, because obviously that exhaust, it is loud on the dyno, but then again, when you're in a controlled environment where the noise can't really escape, it doesn't give you a true experience of how loud or quiet the car will be. But at idle, I don't think it's ridiculous. It's no different from going and standing at the back of a car with, you know, like a normal 3-inch system with a large back box on the back, or you know, definitely not like a shotgun exhaust. So I don't know, we'll have to see, but I'm pleased with the results so far, and yeah, I'm happy with the way things turned out. So short video, there wasn't much to it, but I hope you enjoyed the power runs on the dyno. I know I did. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, I know you do, and I'll see you in the next video.